Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have stuck around, well, thank you so much for sticking around. You guys are literally amazing. So, I'm actually doing this video in reverse. I would normally film my intro after I've finished the tutorial, but yeah, we're doing it this way today because I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. I am wanting to show you guys how to get flat iron curls today. Insert clip here of how to get these easy, will last you a couple days, bouncy, voluminous curls that you can brush out into gorgeous waves, and anyways, it's a good time. So yeah. Just taking my hair in a ponytail. As you guys know and can see, I have long, mostly straight hair. I do have a little bit of wave thanks to my dad's side, but for the most part I ended up with pretty straight Asian hair. So I have difficult to curl a hair in the sense that it'll curl, it'll hold, but then day 2, not so much. Day 3, was my hair ever curled? You know, you feel. So I'm definitely at that point where I've been wearing my hair curled versus straight for a number of years now, and I know what works and what doesn't work for hard to curl hair. So the first thing, I always just brush my hair out because it's long and there are tangles in it. Doesn't actually hurt. Sorry, I just slept weird and I have kind of a bum shoulder. Okay, and now I'm gonna section my hair. Oh, sorry, I'm just pushing you guys back so I'm not cutting my head out. Okay, so I'm just going to section my hair into, first I do the bottom half because it's all one layer, so just the longest pieces, and then depending on how I'm feeling and how much of a hurry I'm in, I'll do either one, just this, or I'll do 2 sections up there. Okay, so I'm just taking this Conair Infinity Pro straight iron. It does have the rounded barrels, which makes it really easy to get a curl. I know that people use their GHTs for this a lot. I used to, and then I did this because I worked with Conair in October, and yeah, it's never been the same since. So I'm just turning it on, and I put it on the lowest heat setting, which is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. You can definitely use a hotter setting if you want. I just like it if you want curls, or if your hair is super hard to curl. But I find that the low setting works fine for me, and I get those more almost beachy waves, but they're kind of vintage, old Hollywood style, where they're all kind of stuck together, big. Anyways, yeah, it just depends on your preference and how much you're planning on brushing it out, how loose you want them, how fast you think they're gonna fall, all of that. So I'm just starting off with a section at the back of my hair. Depending on what day it is, I either curl my hair back to front or front to back. It's no rhyme or reason. But I'm just taking it, making sure that it's smooth, putting curling iron between my hair. Before I clamp down, I'm wrapping it around while twisting the barrel back away from my face, and then I just simply drag down. Ooh, this might not have worked. Hold, please. Did you work? Yeah, you worked. Okay. And then I just like to always twist it and throw it to the back, and then repeat. So taking another section, putting my hair through, wrapping it around while twisting the barrel backwards, and now just dragging down. This is definitely one of my most requested hairstyles. People, when I like wear it, it was like, how'd you do your hair? What'd you do with it? When we went to Bar 65 at Rockefeller for my birthday, when we were coming down, we actually, there was another group in the elevator, and the girls were all like, how'd you do your hair? What'd you use it? And I told them it was a Conair, and they were like shook. So was I actually when I found this product, but shout out to my fam at Conair who kindly gave this to me, because it has become my absolute favorite thing. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly finish this up and stop talking and speed through this, because you guys really don't need to see the side again until I get to the shorter sections, so fast forward time. So you can see that these are all the curls. Yeah, so I have one side that holds curl better than the other. So this is the side that the curls always are looser. And as such, I'm not gonna brush it out first. I'm gonna wait and let the curls really set in while I do the other side. So the key with this other side is to hold your barrel down, wrap your hair around, actually, oops, sorry, it's not around. Wrap your hair through, turn, and just pull down. Like, it seems kind of confusing, but it once you get the hang of the technique, it's fine. So you'll see. So hold your curl, so you want, your wrist position is important. So you want to hold it like this so you can turn it away. So I'm gonna wrap it around this first tongue and then just turn it and pull down. Alright, I just got like a random call from Indianapolis. I'm not picking you up. I think this is one of the things like people were saying about millennials is like I'm not even a millennial, I'm after millennial, but us like younger kids, we don't like to pick up the phone unless we know who's calling us, and it's so true. But I think that's just because we grew up in like the era of like telephone scams and like telemarketers and stuff, and so if we don't know the number, we don't want to like deal with it. Yeah, okay. Fast forwarding through here, it's like two pieces, but oh well. Okay. That last curl turned out like really pretty. So now that I have the whole bottom section curled, I am just gonna really quickly brush it out. Not that it like, once it's already set, it does not make a huge difference in the whole overall like wavy factor of it, but it does make a difference in planning my wave patterns. Alright, so for time, I'm just going to, oh, my hairline looks different, okay. For time, I'm just gonna section my hair in half, and I'm gonna do this all in one go. It's kind of makes me want shorter hair now. Anyways, okay, so you guys know I always brush through my hair. So, I do have some, like a wave or like a kink in my hair from my scrunchie. slept with it overnight. It definitely, so the slip scrunchies, I mentioned these in my Sephora haul, do reduce the kinks, that I can guarantee. So I'm at first just gonna quickly run that over the root. This is hard to like show and get in frame. Okay, so you're gonna put your hair here, wrap your hair to the back while rolling this away from your face, clamp down. Oh, I'm just not able to do this from this angle. Okay, sorry, depth perception off. And then you're just gonna roll down. And then I clean up the curl. See? Such a pretty girl. Okay. And I'm just gonna continue doing this. So just really, like quickly flatten out top, and now wrapping back while twisting away from the hair. Oh, I can't see this. It's really bugging me. Okay, there we go. And then I just pull down. I like to keep my barrel flat, or yeah, the iron flat. I'm not really sure why, but if you're gonna curl it either down this way, curl everything with the barrel facing down. If you're gonna curl everything flat, make sure that it's always flat. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly speed through the rest of this and so now again, I'm just starting at the back and wrapping it and just pulling down. I take kind of like a varied piece size. If you want like very exact curls, you need to take, like if you want your curls to all be like even and uniform, you want to take the same size every single time. But I don't. I don't really care that much. I think my hair looks great when it does its own thing. Well, this is not doing its own thing, but it's best left with minimal things done to it. I will finish up and check back in a second. Okay, so you can see that this side always hold curl just a little bit better. Okay, but this is the finished look. While this is still warm, I am just gonna brush through it. So the key is when your hair is still warm, it can still, like the shape can be tamed a little bit. Tamed is the wrong word, but like you can mold, like shape your hair still a little bit. When it's cool, it is what it is. Like you can brush it out, but you can't like make the waves looser until they fall naturally. So while the side is still warm, I always just like to like play around with it and like pull out the curls a little bit more. Okay. And now I'm just gonna do this side. These curls are definitely best worn messy.